When the lights are out and you stumble in the dark, you kept pushing on, but then
Hello, my lovely friends. I missed you so much because of my summer week vacation. But today we're gonna create this super easy hairstyle that you can wear on a wedding, party, a special occasion, or for every day as well. So begin by making our parting on the side we like, and then grabbing our crown section. We want to tie it using a clear elastic. Then we want to grab another section right below first one like I'm showing. I'll leave some hair out like you can see here. As you can see, I'm such a elastic hairstyles lover because it makes our hairstyles so secure, better than bobby pins. So make now our third ponytail. Then you want to make an opening through the first ponytail and bring it upwards for giving our hairstyle a little more push up and volume. So then we want to divide our first ponytail into 3, and then we want to divide our second one into 4 and bring every section from first ponytail through second one. I think that you can see what I'm doing here. And then grabbing the first selected sectionated ponytail and bring it to third one and tie everything together. Now we want to grab our second ponytail and bring third one through it like I'm showing, as we did with first one. So we'll divide it into 2 and bring it through our 2 sections from second ponytail. I hope that this makes sense. Then you want to pull our loops like I'm showing to make it voluminous, and with the rest we want to tie again a ponytail. Make sure to pull a little bit our loops. Now you want to wrap the ends around our fingers and bring it inside of our created bun and pin it in place, crisscrossing our bobby pins, so we'll make sure that it will stay in place. Then I decided to pin in place our first loop so there are no gaps. Hairspray it, loosen it, and you're basically done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this hairstyle. In my opinion, it looks so elegant but also effortless. Guys, if you're new, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Love you guys so much. Mwah! Bye!
just call on me. When the lights are out and you stumble in the dark, you kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are